Hello, my lovely first graders. I wanted to show you today a pond that I have in my house because it has some of the plants that we've been studying in science. So I'm gonna move a little bit. I don't know if you can see. This here is a water lily. Do you see how it has a flower? And it grows and it floats on the water like this. So this is one of the plants, as you remember, the ones that live on the surface of the pond. If you see there, the place where the water lily grows, do you guys notice that it has like little aquatic plants that are green and that live in that soil? And it has little rocks and it has moss. That's super important because that gives the water here nutrients. Do you see how there are little tadpoles swimming in the water? Remember, those are baby frogs. And they start out in the water and then they grow into frogs. There's also a very big fish here. He hides, so I don't think he's gonna come out because he can hear my voice, but he's very big and he eats the tadpoles, okay? And I just wanted to talk about how this is different from the water that we drink, because the water we can drink is perfectly see-through. As you can see, this water has little soil in it, a little bit of dirt. It's not completely clear, and it has rocks in it and it has fish in it, and we can't drink it, right? Because it's not a pure water. But it's very important because if we didn't have water with all these nutrients and all these plants, then the tadpoles, for example, wouldn't be able to survive here because the tadpoles eat some of those plants. And then the fish wouldn't be able to survive here because the big fish that you can't see but that lives in this pond, he needs to eat the tadpoles to survive. Okay, and these beautiful plants you see here, they provide the shade. Okay, so do you see how the tadpoles swim on the bottom of the plants to hide from the sun? That's super important, okay? So that's what I wanted to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing the pond. Now we're gonna answer a few questions about what we just watched.